Hello, welcome to this Turning for Bedroom Maisonette, a perfect blend that a perfect blend of modern design, space, and functionality for today's lifestyle. Maisonettes are one Maisonettes are an excellent choice for homeowners who wants to maximize space while maintaining a stylish and elegant home. With the two levels, this design offers both privacy and flexibility, making it ideal for growing families. Starting with the exterior, this mansion features a beautiful modern facade with the clean architectural lines, large windows, and a high quality finishes, whether designed with a flat roof for a sleek, contemporary look or a pitched roof for a more classic feel. The house stands out in any neighborhood. But in our case, our mansionette is a flat roof, so as you step inside, you are welcomed into a spacious living area, thoughtfully designed to provide comfort and relaxation. The layout flows seamlessly into the dining area, creating an inviting environment for family gatherings and entertaining guests. The kitchen is well positioned and designed for efficiency, featuring ample storage, generous countertop space, and the option for a pantry. Whether open plan or closed, it supports both modern living and everyday convenience. On the ground floor, you may also find a guest room, ideal for visitors or extended family, along with a common bathroom for convenience. Moving upstairs, the mansionette offers three additional bedrooms, including a luxurious master bedroom that often comes in suit. This upper level provides privacy and a quiet retreat away from the main living areas. Additional features may include the balconies offering outdoor relaxation spaces and enhancing natural lighting within the house. The upper floor layout ensures each bedroom is comfortable, well ventilated, and practical for everyday living. Outside, the home provides a space for a carport or garage, a landscaped garden, or even a small outdoor sitting area. The compound can be customized to suit your needs and lifestyle. A four-bedroom mansionette is perfect for homeowners looking for more space on a limited plot, while still enjoying a modern and organized home layout. It also offers great value in terms of long-term investment and resale potential. For professional services and construction and consultation, feel free to contact us today on 0724481087 or 0789217685. You can as well email us at info@westkenyarealestate.com. Design your dream home with space, style, and comfort in mind. Build smart, live beautifully, and let us help you bring your vision to life. Thank you.